Hey everyone, it's finally time to come back to the question of, was there treasure above my carport? And this video will finally reveal the outcome to that question. You might recall I saw this golf club head sticking out, and I put my camera on a tripod and I held it up to try to see through into the carport attic. And terrible video, I realize that. Sorry about this. We saw something.
I cannot get it high enough.
What's up there? What's up there? That would have to wait for another day, and this is the day.
Probably don't need the hammer drill for that deal.
I'm such a dummy. Hammer drill. The suspense is killing me. I have no idea what that is falling on top of me there. It's a little scary. Yeah, it's still a trashy mess underneath, as you can see. Still in progress. Still in progress. The spiders have been up there pretty good. This next footage is pretty awful because I'm on top of a tiny ladder trying to get up inside of there with my phone to video this. Yeah, shaky.
Well, I think that... Oh, sorry. I would call this a slight disappointment. There are, in fact, some few golf clubs here. And otherwise, I really don't think they used it for that much storage per se. So, what a disappointment that is, huh? This could have been so good. Well, should I get down the old... Pull out the old golf clubs here. Yes, you could probably find these in any Goodwill store for free. Oh my gosh. Look at that wooden, what is it? A Wilson. What is that, 3? Yep. That's 3. Woo. You have to be a heck of a golfer.
It's fair to say I am not a heck of a golfer, but when life gives you lemons, as they say, and I guess if life gives you golf clubs, what ought you do? Clearly selling them for a big profit, not really an option. So we took it to the golf course. I have a 3-wood here. I also have a 2-iron, a 3-iron. Let's see, a short, stubby, like children's 9-iron. What else did I have? Oh, and a 7 and an 8. That was it. No putter, no driver. And my son-in-law, Matt, was really stoked about the idea of taking me on. He wanted to beat me, and he did. Oh, I just gave away the ending. Doggone. Oh, man. Anyway, it wasn't much of a contest. This was tough. I didn't really have anything with loft around the greens to do any chipping with, to try to do bump and runs. It took me a while to even realize that the 9-iron was a child's 9-iron, and I kept thinking it seemed a little short. There I am with the pink golf bag that my daughter loaned me. So imagine this, we're out on the golf course at Chickasha. You don't have to imagine because you're watching it. And we're walking around. Most people are wearing really appropriate golf attire. They've got golf carts and they've got nice golf bags and golf equipment. And we got there were no golf carts left to rent. So I carried these what,
Think I saw a
6
patch of
golf
dirt,
clubs
kinda where that
around
crack
in
is,
my
so
daughter's
the path,
pink
dirt come up
golf
into there.
bag. It wasn't like I could hide it either on the back of the cart. And they had to see me walking around looking like a complete and total rube. And I'll admit, playing kind of like a rube. Now there's a shot that was probably my best shot with short yardage all day. Here I try to get one over the water. You can see the water up ahead. Yep, and I don't think you saw the splash, but
Drop it.
there's almost no point in this video where you see me react with joy over a particular shot I make. Here I'm putting. I'm using, I think, the 2 or 3 iron to try to putt with, which was better than nothing. My son-in-law thought that a slow motion video of my swing would be impressive. I don't think it was, but anyway, it looked okay. As long as you don't actually see what's happening with the ball, I think it looks a lot better than it is. Here is a short putt, again using like a 2 iron, and I just blew it past the hole. This was kind of my day. My goal was to break 50. I thought, bad set of clubs. We only played 9. That's all I had the stomach for. But I'll play 9 holes, and that would give me a chance to see how I do. And yeah, it wasn't great. Here I am over in the woods. Spent a fair amount of time there that day.
What are you shooting here, Jay?
I can't remember. Did I make it into the water on this? That is the goal, right? You try it every time you see water on the golf course. The goal is to try to knock it into the water.
Hey, you're dry.
Actually, I think I cleared it, didn't I? Yeah, not in a good spot, but I think I did clear the water. Now, bear in mind, I've been working on my house. I haven't really been spending a lot of time practicing golf, but yeah, that was short. A bit short. And I don't know. I should have probably just taken the entire bag and ceremonially dumped it in the water hazard. So the moral of the tale is not treasure in an attic, but giving joy to your son-in-law, letting him beat the stuffing out of you in golf. Catch you next time. Please like and subscribe.